Yes, we are back again. Fifth revival, liquidity. Yep, we're going over liquidity. A year and a half ago, I went over liquidity, but we're going to go over it again because back then I sounded like a little squeaker. I was about 12, 11, something like that. No, I was definitely 12. No, not 11, because I started trading a month for my birthday back in 2021. So, yeah, liquidity. Okay, we're going over liquidity. The definition of liquidity is simply orders that are resting within the market, and those orders rest between highs and lows in price. Okay, and those orders consist of buy stops, sell stops, and stop losses. Okay, or if you want to just say pending orders, you can say that also. You can just say pending orders and stop losses. Okay, you can say that also. But let me go ahead and explain what liquidity is. Like, what's the true meaning of it? Liquidity are, like I said, orders in the market. There are simply orders that are resting within a market above or below a certain point. Now, what are orders, though? That's the thing. What are orders? Orders consist of two things: buy and sell, long and short. Okay, put in, I don't know. Well, I forgot what the other one is. If you do options, it's put in something else. I don't know the options, so I forgot. But bid and ask, buy and sell, long and short. Okay, that's it. But in order for you to place a order, you must have the funds, you must have the cash, you must have the money to do so. So if you want to create like a this equals that, then cash or money in the market equals liquidity. That's it. And if you want to say um equals this equals that, you could say orders equals cash because you need cash to place an order. Okay. Liquidity equals cash. Cash equals liquidity. Okay. If it's in, the market, if it's in the markets, if it's inside the markets, it's considered liquidity. Okay. And liquidity is orders, and orders is money. Very simple. Okay. And these orders, or these, I guess you could say liquidity, rest above highs and lows within price. They rest above and below the market. And these orders consist of pending orders and stop losses. Very, very simple, right? So we're just going to go over a couple highs and lows, as you can see. Low. Oh my God, what's this? What do we call a low? We call that sell side liquidity. Okay. Why do we call it sell side? Because it's below the market. Okay. And if you're selling, you want price to go under. Okay. So if you put that together, I don't have to be stupidly clear here, but sell, go down, sell side liquidity under. You get the correlation. I have to explain. But we call it sell side liquidity because it's under the market, and the opposite with a high would be buy side liquidity. What price will do, because I have to keep it honest with you, to keep it 100% real, this market is rigged. It is rigged. 100% rigged. There are algorithms controlling this market, and there are big institutions and central bank traders controlling this market. This market is not something that's made up of 100% humans. It is not. It is not. You have something called the IMP24, which is a computer node. I'm not going to get too deep into it because I don't want you to, get confused and stuff like that. But these algorithms and these central bank traders and institutions, they target these highs and lows, also known as sell side and buy side liquidity. They target it. They seek it, also known as price. Price, which is this right here, price moving up and down. Okay. All you're seeing is just this go up and down. These numbers, all you're seeing is this going up and down, but more graphic. Okay. It's just more graphic when you see it in candles. So that's all you're seeing. Price will seek highs and lows. It's going to do it, period. Okay. There are multiple types of liquidity. There's like at least 6 different types of liquidity, but we're just going over the concept of liquidity, period, in this video. We're going to go over what it is and why it exists and what does price do with it. What price does with it is it seeks it. It's always looking to purge some form of liquidity. It's always looking to run through or purge some liquidity. I have a video on liquidity runs and liquidity purges. If you don't know what those are, you can go watch that and then you can come back here. Okay? If you really want to, you can go look through it, scroll through my compendium, and you will find it. But what price will do is it'll seek it. Seek it as in it's rigged. Okay? It's rigged. Do I have to type it out for you and make it all large and big for you? It's rigged. We're going to make this 40. See that? I just copy it a bunch of times. It's rigged. It's rigged. It's rigged. Understand? It's rigged. It's rigged. Okay. You have to understand that it is rigged. Okay. Price will seek liquidity to trap traders. Okay. What trap traders is, well, I said that like it's something, but what I mean by it'll trap traders. It will put the traders or the retail traders, if you would like to call it that. It'll put the dumb money or retail traders into a state of, oh no, what's happening, and then they'll get stopped out and lose their trade. Okay. But the way I'm teaching you, we're teaching you the complete opposite of that. We're teaching you how to be the ones that stop out the retail traders. We're teaching you how to be the ones, basically, be the institution, be the liquidity provider, be the smart money, be the complete opposite of retail traders. That's what I'm teaching you all over this YouTube channel. Okay, we're just gonna simply mark out highs and lows and see how price acts. Okay, because it does not need to be a long video, like 30 minutes as the previous revival. It really doesn't have to be. So, as we see, we have this point of sell side liquidity down here. Oh my, what does price do? It runs straight through it. Absolutely amazing. Then we have this high right here. Buy side liquidity. Oh my God, look at that. Run straight through it. And then we have this high right here. Oh my God, it runs straight through it. You see how, you see this, man? Do you see this? Very, very crazy, isn't it? Yeah, it's rigged. But don't get yourself worked up over that. I'm going to be teaching you how to avoid not getting rigged, okay? You're going to be the rigger. That sounded like a slur, but we're not going to talk about that. As you can see, this high here. Is my magnet on? Oh yes, it is on. That high there, also known as buy side liquidity. Oh my God, ran through. Insane, isn't it? And even this low over here. Oh my God, ran through. You see that? Look at that. It said whoop and just shot straight through without no problem. This low here, taken out. So you see where I'm going with this? This market is rigged and it seeks liquidity. That's just one out of the three things that price will do, period. And that's on any asset, any time frame, anywhere. Even if you're on the 1 second chart, it will do this. Even if you're on the tick chart, it would do this. Price seeks liquidity, and that is one out of the three things that price is always going to do. We're only going to be talking about one here because we're talking about strictly one thing, which is liquidity. Let's mark off some more, shall we? We have this high here. Oh my God, it got purged. We have this high here. Oh my God, it got wiped out. We got this low here. Oh my God, it got absolutely wiped out. See that? That's sell side liquidity, brother. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. Then we have this low here. Oh, there's my little Reaper. Hey, Reaper, where I got? So that's the Reaper on the higher time frame. You know what that is. You got this sell side liquidity. Look at that purged. Okay, so you get it. You get it. Okay, this is gonna be a pretty short revival because I don't need to keep going back and forth drawing highs and lows, highs and lows, highs and lows. But take this as homework to if you're a beginner watching this, if you're intermediate, advanced, whatever level you are. But go ahead and just go back, even if you're advanced. Go look at some liquidity. Go to see how rigged this market is. Okay, so just go look back and see. That's your homework. And this video, it's not gonna be too long. I promise. I'm not gonna yap for the next 30 seconds. I'm gonna be ending this in the next 3 seconds. Peace.